Hey, it's Dr. Monica, and what you're looking at here is some ghee. That's just, so basically some butter that I put in the oven for basically about an hour and a half at 250, but you can, if you're on top of it, you can also just set your alarm on your stove for every 30 minutes and just see when it separates. But yeah, I did it for an hour and a half here. So what you're seeing is the different layers, right? Okay, so looking at that, you can see that's, it all got gold in there. That's the ghee part. So the bottom part is going to be kind of milky and kind of curdy. And then the top of it, a lot of it actually came off into on the edge of it. So I didn't really have to remove a lot of it, but there's still a little bit, so lightly I'll go with my spoon and these little, where are we? These little bits, those will come off, and then the ghee is all this yellow, clear, beautiful, yummy ghee. So I want to recommend that you use organic butter for this, and then this ghee is just very healing for the digestive tract, great for the brain, one of the top Ayurvedic foods in India, and yeah, mainly it's super yummy. So try it out, super easy. What I'm going to do now is basically scoop a little bit of the top off and then pour all the ghee into a container and try not to get any of the stuff from the bottom on it. Try it out.